Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change password in Genshin Impact account of yours. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a genshinimpact.com and press enter. Here you need to click on download on top right of the screen. First of all, you need to get logged into your Genshin Impact account. For that, you need to click on login. Then you go in for providing your registered username or email address and then password. Then click on login. Now here for the verification, you need to select this in order. Click on OK. With that, you will get logged into your account. Now here, you need to go to your email address beside of the download. There, you can see the option of account and logout. You click on account login. Here, you need to get logged in. For that, you provide your registered email address, then password. Then click on login. Here for the verification, select this in order. Click on OK. At the account management page, you can see the option of account security settings on left panel. You click on it. Inside the account security settings, you can see the option of change password. Just beside of it, you can see the option of switch. You click on it. To change a password, first of all, you need to verify your email address. So you click on send code, where Genshin Impact will send a verification code in your email address. You need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Genshin Impact. For that, you go in for a new tab. Then you searching for a www.gmail.com and press enter. At the very first, you can see a mail from the Genshin Impact. You click and open the mail. Here you can see a verification code. You copy the code. Now go back to your Genshin Impact page. You paste the code over here. Then you click on next. Now you go in for setting a new password. Retype your password for the confirmation. After you are done, you click on confirm. Here your password has been successfully changed. This is how you can change a password in Genshin Impact account of yours. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change password in Genshin Impact. Thank you.